When trust breaks, you don't have to. There comes a moment most of us know too well. You check your phone, reread old messages, and wonder, how did it all fall apart so fast? A breakup, a betrayal, it doesn't just hurt your heart. It shakes your trust in everything, in people, in love, even in yourself. And suddenly you feel smaller, quieter, guarded, like building walls is safer than ever opening up again. But listen closely, what broke you is not what defines you. Yes, someone left. Yes, someone lied. Yes, someone didn't see your worth. But that does not mean you are unworthy. It means they were unable to meet you where you deserve to be met. Pain has a way of convincing you to shut down, but growth asks you to rise anyway. You don't rebuild by becoming colder. You rebuild by becoming stronger, wiser, and more aware of what you truly deserve. Trust again, not blindly but bravely. Love again, not recklessly but intentionally. Because the goal was never to avoid pain forever. It was to become someone who can walk through it and still choose to believe in something better. So stand up, not because it didn't hurt, but because you refuse to let it be the end of your story. This isn't where you broke. This is where you begin again.